Are you struggling with Dagger 2 and getting the error message about android.content.Context? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and help you get your project back on track. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to implement a library and you hit a wall like this. It can feel like you're stuck in quicksand, right? But don't worry, we're here to help you out. Here's the situation. A user reached out saying they wrote some code for Dagger 2, but when they tried to compile, they received an error stating that android.content.Context cannot be provided without an @provides annotated method. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what does this error mean? Essentially, Dagger 2 needs a way to provide the context object, but it can't find an appropriate method to do so. This is a common hiccup when setting up dependency injection, and we'll walk through how to fix it. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To resolve the error regarding the android.content.Context, the user needs to provide a method that supplies the context object. This can be done by adding a new method in the player module class. Next, the user should ensure that the application class is passed to the Dagger component. This allows Dagger to access the application context. Now, the user needs to modify the application class to include the Dagger injection. This will ensure that the context is available when needed. Finally, the user should rebuild the project to ensure that Dagger generates the necessary code. This will resolve the error and allow the application to compile successfully. Fun fact, Dagger 2 is named after the weapon because it cuts through the complexity of dependency injection. Just like a dagger, it can be sharp and precise, but only if you know how to wield it. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves creating a context module. This module takes a context as a parameter and provides it using the @provides annotation. This way, you can inject the context into your video controller view. Here's a pro tip. Always ensure that your modules are properly set up to provide all necessary dependencies. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the context error in Dagger 2. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.